In a peaceful kingdom, there lived a young gardener named Leo. He loved plants and flowers more than anything else. Every day, Leo cared for the royal garden with great kindness and patience. One day, while watering the roses, he noticed a strange light coming from the darkest corner of the garden. Curious, he walked toward it and found a glowing rose he had never seen before. "What a beautiful rose! I have never seen a flower like this. It shines like a star," Leo said, amazed. The rose was magical, and legend said whoever found it could unlock the power of true love. The next day, while weeding near the castle, Leo saw Princess Elara walking alone in the courtyard. She looked sad and distant. "Your Highness, is everything all right? You seem worried," Leo asked gently. Elara replied softly, "I am cursed to live apart from my true love. Only the magic of an enchanted rose can break the spell." Leo thought for a moment and said, "Maybe the rose I found last night is the key to breaking your curse." Elara's eyes lit up with hope. "Really? Would you help me use its magic?" she asked. "Of course, Princess. Together we will find the answer," Leo promised. Leo and Elara began their journey through the enchanted forest, hoping to discover how to use the rose's magic to break the curse. "The forest is full of strange creatures. We must be careful and brave," Elara said. Leo nodded. "Do you know where we should go first?" She replied, "The old wise owl may help us. He lives in the tallest tree." As they walked deeper into the forest, they heard a soft hooting sound. The wise owl appeared, blinking his big eyes. "Who dares enter my forest?" the owl demanded. Leo replied respectfully, "We are travelers seeking your wisdom. We want to break a curse with the magic of the enchanted rose." The owl thought for a moment and said, "The rose's magic is strong, but it needs a special word to unlock its power." Elara asked, "What is the word, wise owl?" The owl answered, "The word is trust. You must trust each other and the magic inside your hearts." Encouraged by the owl's advice, Leo and Elara continued their journey. Suddenly, a fierce wind blew, and a dark shadow appeared before them. "If you want to pass, you must solve my riddle," the shadow said threateningly. Leo stood tall and said, "We are ready." The shadow asked, "What has a heart that doesn't beat?" Elara thought for a moment and answered, "An artichoke?" The shadow was impressed and said, "Correct. You may pass." The shadow disappeared and the path cleared. Leo and Elara smiled, feeling stronger together than ever. At the end of the forest, they found a beautiful door covered in roses. Leo carefully placed the enchanted rose on the door's golden lock. "Here goes nothing," he said. The lock glowed and the door slowly opened. Warm light surrounded them, and Elara's curse was finally lifted. "The spell is broken. Thank you, Leo. Your kindness and bravery saved me," Elara said joyfully. Leo smiled and said, "We did it together. The magic was in our trust and friendship all along." And so, The enchanted rose brought true love and happiness back to the kingdom. Vocabulary list. Gardener. A person who takes care of plants and gardens. Patient. Able to wait calmly without getting angry. Glowing. Giving off light softly. Magical. Having special powers that are not natural. Legend. A traditional story sometimes about heroes or magic. True love. A deep, real love between two people. Curse. A spell that brings bad luck or harm. Hopeful. Feeling or showing hope. Enchanted. Made magical or under a spell. Careful. Paying attention to avoid danger or mistakes. Brave. Showing courage, not afraid of danger. Wise. Having knowledge and good judgment. Trust. Belief in the reliability or honesty of someone or something. Fierce. Very strong or violent. Shadow. A dark shape made when light is blocked. Riddle. A question or puzzle to solve. Heart. The organ that pumps blood. Also used to mean feelings or love. Artichoke. A type of vegetable. Lock. A device that keeps something closed and needs a key or code to open. Spell. A magical word or action that causes something to happen. Kindness. Being nice and caring to others. Bravery. The quality of being brave or courageous.